once again to this channel. And on our today's video, this is a brand new series that I'm starting, and it's called Taste My Food. So guys, I'll be preparing food and have someone taste, and they tell me how it feels or how it tastes. Yeah, so guys, welcome once again to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. So on our today's video, we are going to be preparing drum rolls. We're going to be preparing chapati, soft. Do I say layered? I don't know. So you'll see. Let's see how it will turn out. But what I'm sure about is that they are going to be soft chapatis. So guys, you don't have an excuse of not making your family chapati for Christmas, because you know what? I'm going to be giving you recipe step by step. Okay? So you better watch till the end, because I know you are going to like the video. So guys, watch to the end. Let's see how it will turn out, and then let's have our taster tell us how it is. Okay? So thank you so much. Let's get started. So now on our ingredients, I have warm water. So make sure, if you don't know how to make chapati, by the way, this is the simplest way yenye nitakufunza, and you will know. So we have warm water, we have salt, and of course our flour and our oil, cooking oil. Okay, so guys, that is all what I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to be giving you the secrets of soft chapati. So if you are that person who cooks chapati and they come out like sacrament very hard, don't worry, I'm going to show you the secret. So make sure you watch to the end so that I can spill the tea, okay? But anyway, let's start making. So guys, this is the easiest, okay? So now I'm going to start mixing my ingredients. So I'm starting with, as I said, we have warm water. So I'm not going to tell you how many cups, because different people make different sizes according to the people they are making chapati for. So now you might be making for one person, 2 people, 3 people. So now I'm not going to be giving you exact like at 1 cup of sijui fulani nini hapana. Now that one will depend with you, because my way of making chapati will not limit you. Like it will not limit you na the ingredients. The way I'm making chapati, you can use the steps to make any amount. Sawa sawa. So let's get started. So now warm water, I add this is salt. Okay, so salt inside the water, salt to taste. Sawa, salt to taste. Add the salt until you are able to taste it hapo kwa maji. Okay, so we add and then until you can taste the salt. Okay, so after adding salt, you also add mafuta. It's not even limiting, guys, but you see, add a lot. Don't add a lot, but you can't limit yourself. You can put venye tu wewe unataka, but it shouldn't be a lot. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll go in with this flour. So I'll go in with the flour. So now I use this method because I put in the flour first, not water first, so that I can control. Okay, because I might put water first and then nikienda kuweka unga, unapata I don't have even a backup unga, so I end up like nimetumia unga yote ijatosha. So this is how I do it, just to ensure that na mix nikipima tu unga vizuri ndio unga mingi, like na what am I even saying? I use this method ndio ni ensure sijaweka maji mingi. So napima hivi, ndio napima. So nitakuwa naenda nikiongeza unga pole pole until I get the desired. So now my unga, and then I add water now pole pole. Ndio isiende vibaya, you know guys, you know what I mean. Okay? So guys, take this opportunity to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be giving you videos, cooking videos to be precise, because I love, guys, I love to cook. I love cooking. Cooking is one of my hobbies. I like doing or learning new ways of cooking. So if that is something that excites you, then you are on the right channel. So do me a favor and subscribe, okay? So I wanted to use all of that water because I'm making a lot of chapati. Yeah. So guys, you just need, okay, as you add the flour. So now guys, you go in with your hands. Make sure your hands are clean, definitely. So you go in and knead the flour, okay? So now the secret is here in kneading, guys. Make sure, if you want soft chapati, make sure that your dough or your dough or your dough depending on your English teacher, so make sure that it is as soft as possible, okay? So that is where the secret is, by the way. That is where the secret is. Don't make a very tight dough, okay? Make sure that it is soft and not running. No, it should be well kneaded but soft, okay, for you to achieve for you to achieve that softness. Cut. So we are going to be kneading. Let me knead and then I'll show you the next step. So let's go, guys. Inaonekana vizuri venye nafanya. So guys, as you can see, our dough is ready. It is soft. As you can see, not too tough. It is soft, and at this point, it is ready. So now that is the secret of making soft chapati. So I'm going to show you secret. Now another secret of making now layered chapatis. If you don't do that, you won't get layered chapatis, guys. So watch this video as I spill all the tea, okay? This Christmas, you're going to be the pro who's gonna make all chapatis for your family. Yeah. So now we are done. So let me show you. Now we are going to be partitioning according to the size that you want. So guys, we are going to be partitioning. Let me do this and then I show you, okay? So now guys, I've already partitioned. So these are the chapatis that I'm going to be making. So now we want to focus on the layers, right? So now after partitioning, if you don't want layers, at this point you can just roll your chapati and make them. But if you want layered chapatis, Now this is now what you do. Now I'm spilling the tea, okay? Now you'll just roll, but you see it's like double work. So this is what you do. Then so this is what you do. Then you apply oil, and then you do this, okay? Then you roll it like this. You roll it. So these rolls are the ones that are going to give you the layers. The way you've rolled it like that. So it's going to give you layers. So this is what you do for you to gain the layers, okay? So let me do one more for you to see. So you do that, then apply oil.
What are you doing?
After applying the oil, you do like this. Then the same process again. So from this you get layers, guys, okay? So I'm going to do all of them. Then I will show you how they turned out. Now stop it up one on Dylan, what is wrong? See, you stay at one place. So guys, we are done. We are done rolling the dough. So this is what we have. So now the only remaining thing is to just cook them now or burn them, whatever. So now I'm just going to roll it. To roll our so guys, you notice, let me show you. You notice when you roll the chapati, already it has the layers forming, as you can see. So this is what will bring out the layers. Let me show you. You notice when you roll the chapati, already it has the layers forming, as you can see. So this is what will bring out the layers. So as you can see, I don't know if you are able to see it, but already we have layers on the dough. Okay. Cut. So guys, everything is set. My dough iko kwa pan. So let's see how it turns out. So yes. Cut, Jim. So guys, you can see how our chapati is looking beautiful. Okay. You can see it looks beautiful, and you already have layers. Layers are coming up, like here you can see. Oops, too hot. I'll show you. Worry not, okay? So we have layers coming out very well. So this chapati is ready. So on to another one.
Get in the light.
Cut, chill.
Okay. What are you doing? We are gonna explode.
So guys, as you can see, we are cruising nicely and our chapatis are coming out very well. Okay? Show you chapati inaonekana vizuri.
The fastidious. You can stand to get here like a baby. And put your thing down. I got you. Jump.
So now guys, the time we have been waiting for, our chapatis are ready. Wow guys, look at that. Let me tell you one thing guys. You now don't have an excuse of not making chapati, because the recipe that I've given you is beginner friendly for those of you who don't know how to make chapatis. It's very, very easy. So guys, let me show you. This is our chapati and you can see the layers are automatic. Yani, they are there. If you look at that, you can see the layers. The layers are just there. As you can see, look at that. Woo, guys. Are you seeing Unona? Look at that, guys. The layers are there. Okay? The layers are there. Look at that. Yo, this is so good. This is so good. So you can see we have layers are there. Yani, ona, niyajitoa tu. Look at that. So, that is what I made. So I want to call our tester. Akuja tutestie. Atuambie ziko aje. Funga hiyo mlango chini. Okay? Let's call our tester. Akuja atutestie. Haya, tester. Welcome. Sijui nikuwekee pia na kitoweo.
Yep.
So drum rolls for the tester. Tester.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Welcome. So I want you to taste this chapati and I want you to tell us what you feel about it. Sawa?
Yep.
So the chapatis, you can see the layers are there.
Yeah.
So I just want you to tell us what you think about the chapatis. Angalia huko.
Yummy chapati. Mama, I want chapati too. I want chapati. Give me. I said give me.
How is it?
It's just soft. Yeah, it's perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So that's it, guys. It's so nice. It's so good. The layers are there. Look at that. So this is something you can try, okay? So if you've watched till this point, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So on to our next video. Let's see what we'll make next. Bye.
Bye.